Hello everyone and welcome. Have you met the prickly pear? Have you ever encountered a fruit that looks intimidating yet tastes heavenly? Let me introduce you to the prickly pear. This unique fruit growing on the edges of spiky cactus pads holds a delightful secret beneath its prickly exterior. Don't be fooled by its thorny armor. The prickly pear is a treasure trove of flavor and goodness waiting to be discovered. Imagine biting into a fruit that bursts with the sweetness of watermelon and the subtle tang of berries. That's the magic of the prickly pear. Beyond its refreshing taste, this desert gem offers a wealth of health benefits that have been cherished for centuries. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of the prickly pear and uncover its secrets. The prickly pear, known scientifically as Opuntia, is a master of disguise in the plant world, going by many names depending on where you find it. You might know it as cactus fruit, nopal cactus, or Indian fig. Regardless of its alias, this remarkable plant thrives in arid regions. Its vibrant fruits are testament to nature's ability to flourish, even in the harshest conditions. From the scorching deserts of the Americas to the sun-drenched landscapes of the Mediterranean, the prickly pear has made its mark across the globe. Its adaptability is a testament to its resilience, a quality reflected in its numerous health benefits. Whether you call it tuna, sabra, or simply prickly pear, one thing remains constant. This fruit is a gift from nature, brimming with flavor and vitality. The journey of the prickly pear from flower to fruit is a captivating spectacle full of natural wonder. What begins as a vibrant bloom, often a striking yellow or pink, transforms into a jewel-toned fruit, signaling its ripeness with a change in color. The most common hues for ripe prickly pears are deep reds and purples, but you might also find them in vibrant oranges, yellows, and even greens. To determine if a prickly pear is ripe for the picking, gently squeeze it. A slight give indicates it's ready to be enjoyed and savored, but be careful of those pesky spines. While some varieties are nearly spineless, others require careful handling to avoid pricks. The reward, however, is well worth the effort. A taste sensation unlike any other, truly unique and delightful. Hidden depths. A surprising fact about prickly pear. Here's a fascinating fact you might not know about the prickly pear. It's not just the fruit that's edible. The young cactus pads, known as nopales, are a staple in Mexican cuisine. They offer a unique, slightly tart flavor and a satisfying crunch. These versatile pads can be grilled, sautéed, or even pickled, adding a nutritional punch to any meal. Beyond their culinary uses, both the fruit and pads of the prickly pear have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. From soothing digestive ailments to potentially regulating blood sugar levels, this desert plant has earned its reputation as a natural healer. Its versatility extends beyond the kitchen, making it a valuable resource in traditional medicine practices. A history rooted in resilience. The prickly pear's story is one of resilience and adaptation, a tale that spans centuries and continents. Native to the Americas, this hardy plant has been a source of sustenance and healing for indigenous communities for millennia. Its fruits and pads have provided essential nutrients and medicinal properties. Its ability to thrive in arid environments where other plants struggle to survive speaks volumes about its tenacity. The prickly pear's roots dig deep, finding water where others cannot. Over time, the prickly pear's fame spread beyond its native lands, carried by explorers and traders who recognized its value. They introduced it to new regions where it quickly took root. It found new homes in the Mediterranean, Africa, and Australia, where it quickly adapted to the local climate and became an integral part of the culinary and medicinal traditions. Its versatility made it a cherished plant in these diverse landscapes. Today, the prickly pear stands as a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and human history, a symbol of survival and nourishment that continues to benefit people around the world. Its legacy is a reminder of the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. And nature's gift, a bounty of health and beauty benefits. The prickly pear is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. This versatile fruit has been cherished for centuries for its numerous health benefits. It's a good source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity, and magnesium, essential for muscle and nerve function. Additionally, it contains potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The antioxidants in prickly pear help protect cells from damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. These antioxidants also play a role in slowing down the aging process. Here are 10 ways prickly pear can benefit your health and beauty. 1. Boosts immunity. Rich in vitamin C, prickly pear strengthens the immune system, helping the body fend off illnesses. 2. Aids digestion. High in fiber, it promotes healthy digestion and regularity, preventing constipation and other tummy aches and digestive issues. 3. Regulates blood sugar. Studies suggest it may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. 4. Reduces inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties may ease joint pain and swelling, providing relief for those with arthritis. 5. Hydrates skin. Prickly pear extract is a popular ingredient in skincare for its hydrating properties, leaving the skin soft and supple. 6. Protects skin from sun damage. Antioxidants in prickly pear help protect skin from sun damage, reducing the risk of sunburn and premature aging. 7. Reduces appearance of wrinkles. It may promote collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, giving the skin a youthful glow. 8. Strengthens hair and nails. Its nutrients may strengthen hair and nails, promoting growth and preventing breakage. 9. Supports heart health. It may help lower bad cholesterol levels, supporting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 10. Provides energy boost. Its natural sugars provide a healthy energy boost, making it a great snack for an active lifestyle. A taste of the desert prickly pear preserve recipe. Ready to experience the unique flavor of prickly pear? This fruit, native to desert landscapes, offers a taste that's both exotic and delightful. Try this simple preserve recipe. Here are the ingredients. 1 pound prickly pear fruit, peeled and pureed. Half a cup sugar. A quarter cup water. A quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. This will add a hint of tanginess to balance the sweetness. Combine the prickly pear puree, sugar, water, and lemon juice in a saucepan. Make sure to mix well. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. This helps to dissolve the sugar completely. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until thickened, stirring occasionally. Patience is key here. Pour the hot preserve into sterilized jars and seal tightly. This step ensures your preserve stays fresh. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure preservation. This is crucial for long-term storage. Enjoy your homemade prickly pear preserve on toast, yogurt, or as a topping for ice cream. It's a versatile treat that brings a taste of the desert to your table. In this next segment, we will address some frequently asked questions about the prickly pear. And for it, our expert on this magnificent edible, Gerald Shane, better known as Shaney round here. He is our desert edibles educator. Shaney, take it away, please.
Thanks, Dr. John. Happy to. Okay, first question. Are the seeds safe to eat? Yes, the seeds are safe to eat, but consuming them in large quantities might cause tummy aches and digestive issues. Next, what is the difference between the prickly pear and the agave plant? Both the prickly pear and agave plant are succulents, but they belong to different plant families and have distinct characteristics. The prickly pear is a cactus, Cactaceae family, known for its flat, jointed pads, cladodes, covered in spines and glochids. Agave, on the other hand, belongs to the Asparagaceae family and is characterized by its rosettes of thick, fleshy leaves, often with sharp tips. It doesn't have spines or glochids like the prickly pear. Both offer delicious attributes, but require quite different procedures to get to their sweet edible bits. Do the purple tunas taste different than the green or yellow? Yes, the purple varieties tend to be sweeter, Although, if you can get your hands on perfectly ripened yellow ones, they are the sweetest of all. How can I safely remove the thorns? You can burn the tiny thorns off easily with a torch over a flame. Use long tongs to handle the fruit while burning off the spindly thistles. Gloves are recommended as well during this entire process. How old is the cactus plant before it starts to produce the tunas? Typically, the plant is around 3 years old when they start to produce the pears. Where can I buy seeds of this type of plant? Generally, you can find them at specialized nurseries and almost always at online stores. Can I grow it with slightly saline water? Yes, prickly pears are quite resilient and can tolerate slightly saline water. Which varieties are most adapted to drought and cold? Several varieties of Opuntia ficus indica, including Desert Ace, Opuntia humifusa, and Opuntia stricta, are known for their ability to tolerate both drought and cold. But generally, the species as a whole is quite drought tolerant. Its ability to store water in its paddles keeps it alive in dry and cold weather. Incredibly, the Opuntia humifusa contains antifreeze chemicals in its cells, allowing it to survive in temperatures as low as -35 degrees Fahrenheit. Can you eat the green cactus fruits in the same way as the purple? Yes, but the green ones are usually less sweet. Do the green ones come from a different species of cactus? No, not all green cactus are a different species of Opuntia ficus indica. While some varieties have blue-green pads, the species is known for its varied colors, including green, blue-green, reddish-purple, yellow, and even orange. The color of the pads is influenced by multiple factors: genetics, sunlight exposure, and environmental conditions. What is the difference between purple and white varieties? This is due to the different pigments in the plants, petals, tunas, and flowers. Edibly speaking, purple varieties are generally sweeter, while the white varieties have a milder flavor. Great questions, everyone! I'll turn it back over to Dr. John now.
Thank you, Shaney. Always an educational frenzy when you're around. We hope these answers help you better understand the fascinating world of prickly pears. Do give them a try next time you come across them, and watch out for those prickles. They are not to be trifled with. And one last caveat: if you happen to be pregnant or nursing, do check in with your GP before consuming these edibles, just to stay on the safe side. For now, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep learning. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.